Hello dear students, this is 10th class mathematics, the chapter number 5, arithmetic progression. In this video, we will learn the important 4 marks questions that are given in the SCRT question bank. These questions are very much important for the public examination also. We will solve some 4 to 5 questions from exercise 5.2. For convenience, for your future reference, we used the question numbers as it is from the textbook. That is, from exercise 5.2, we use the question numbers as it is from the exercise. Here is the first question.
Dear students, this is question number 16. Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 16, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. I shall repeat. Determine the arithmetic progression whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Here, in this question, we have given an arithmetic progression, and in this AP, the third term value is 16 and the seventh term value exceeds the fifth term by 12. Exceeds means more. It means the seventh term value is more than fifth term of about 12. Okay. Now, let us solve this question. First of all, the third term is given, that is A3 is equal to 16. A3 is equal to 16. A3 means A plus n minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 16. It is the first equation. Now it is also given that the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. Means A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. A7 is equal to A5 plus 12. Exceeds means more. More means you have to add. Less means you have to subtract. Times means you have to multiply. And parts means we have to divide. Yes, good. Now, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12 means A7 is equal to A5 plus 15. Now, what is A7? A7 means A plus 7 minus 1, A plus 6D is equal to A5 means A plus 4D plus 12. It implies A plus 6D plus A other side minus A and plus 4D other side minus 4D is equal to 12. Now plus A and minus A will be get cancelled. 6D minus 4D, 2D is equal to 12 and D is equal to 12 divided by 2, 2 in 12 6 times. Therefore, common difference of this AP is equal to 6. Now substitute D is equal to 6 in equation 1. A plus 2D, 2 into 6, A plus 2D is equal to 16 or A plus 2 into 6 is equal to 16. A plus 2 6 are 12, that is A plus 12 is equal to 16 or A is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. Now we have A value 4 and we have D value 6. Then the arithmetic progression is, the general form of the arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Here substitute A value is 4 and D value is 6, so that A means 4. A plus D means 4 plus 6. A plus 2D means 4 plus 2 times of 6. A plus 3D means 4 plus 3 times of 6. If we simplify this, 4 plus 6 is 10. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 4 is 22 and so on. Therefore, arithmetic progression is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. This is the given arithmetic progression. Now dear students, let us learn question number 17 now. This is question number 17. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on 253. I shall repeat. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 253. You see here, this is the given arithmetic progression. The first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13 and so on. The last term is 253. Now this is the last term. Now we have to find out the 20th term from the last. Means you should consider this as first term. Previous term will be second term. This previous term will be third term. Like this you have to find out the 20th term from the last. Not from the first, but from the last we have to find the 20th term. Okay. Now, in order to solve this, first of all, let us consider the given arithmetic progression. The given AP is 3, 8, 13, 253. Here, AP, if we list out this AP from the last, here what is the common difference? First is 3, second term is 8. Therefore, every term is increased by 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 5 is 13, and so on, last 253. If you write these terms from backside, then you have to subtract. The last term will be the first term now, that is 253. Then the term preceding to this, before to this, is 253 minus 5. 253 minus 5 is 248. 248 minus 5 is 243. Like this, this is the new arithmetic progression. In this new arithmetic progression, A first term is equal to 253 and common difference A2 minus A1. 248 minus 253 is minus 5. Now, from the back side, we have to find the nth term or 20th term. N is equal to 20. What is an formula? An is given by a plus n minus 1 into d. In this, substitute a is equal to 253, n is equal to 20, and d is equal to minus 5. A means 253 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 into d. D means common difference is minus 5. That is 253 plus into minus is minus, 19 5 is 95. If you subtract 95 from 253, you will get 158. Therefore, the 20th term from the last is equal to 158. Dear students, this is question number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of the 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. I shall repeat. The sum of the 4th and 8th terms of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th terms is 44. Find the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. Here if you observe this question, the sum of 4th and 8th means A4 plus A8. A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. And the sum of 6th and 10th means A6 plus A10. A6 plus A10 is equal to 44. From these two equations, you have to find out A value and D value. If you once you get A value and D value, you can find the 3 terms or any number of terms of the AP, we can find out, isn't it? Yes. Now let us look at the solution. It is given that in given AP, A4 plus A8, sum of 4th and 8th means A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. This value is 24. An formula, what is the nth term of an AP? Good. A plus n minus 1 into d. A4 means n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3d, a plus 3d. A8 means a plus 7d. A4 plus A8 means a plus 3d plus a plus 7d is equal to 24. What is a plus a? 2a. And what is 3d plus 7d? 10d is equal to 24. Now let us divide this total equation with 2. Then 2a by 2 is a, 10d by 2 is 5d, 24 by 2 is 12. It is the first equation. Now in order to get the second equation, the given condition is 6th term plus 10th term is 44. 6th term means A6 plus 10th term is A10 is equal to 44. 6th term means A plus 5d and 10th term means A plus 9d is equal to 44. What is A plus A? 2a. What is 5d plus 9d? 14d is equal to 44. Again, you can divide this total equation with 2. 2a by 2 is a, 14d by 2 is 7d, 44 by 2 is 22. It is the second equation. Now let us subtract the first equation from second, that is 2 minus 1 is a plus 7d minus a plus 5d. That is a plus 7d minus a minus 5d is equal to 22 minus 12. What is plus a minus a? Yes, these two will be cancelled. 7d minus 5d is 2d. 2d is equal to 10 minus 12. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 2d is equal to 22 minus 12 is 10 and d is equal to 10 divided by 2. 2 in 10 5 times, therefore D value is 5. Now let us substitute D value in first equation. By substituting D is equal to 5 in equation 1, A plus 5D, 5 into 5, D is 5 now, A plus 5 into 5 is equal to 12, or A plus 5 5 is 25 is equal to 12, or A is equal to 12 minus 25. What is 12 minus 25? S minus 13, A is equal to minus 13. Now we have A value minus 13 and we got D is equal to 5. So that the AP is, the first term is minus 13, second term minus 13 plus 5, and third term minus 13 plus 2 times of 5. This is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 5 is minus 8. 2 5s is plus 10. Minus 13 plus 10 is minus 3. Therefore, the first three terms of this AP are minus 13, minus 8, minus 5, and so on. Is it clear? Good. Now, this is question number 19. Look at this question. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000, received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reaches 7,000? I shall repeat. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 rupees, received an increment of 200 rupees each year. In which year did his income reaches 7,000? Look at this question. In 1995, his annual salary is 5,000 rupees. Now, what is his increment for every year? Yes, his increment is 200 rupees. Therefore, his salary in the first year is 5,000. His salary in the second year is 5,000 plus 200 is 5,200. Similarly, his salary in the second year is 5,000 plus 200 is 5,400 and so on. Like this, if he get the salary, in how many years did his salary reaches 7,000 is the question. Okay. Now, if you observe this question, you can find an AP, isn't it? Now, look at the solution. Subbarao's annual salary is rupees 5,000 rupees. It is the initial salary. And the increment is D, which is equal to 200. And therefore, the arithmetic progression will be 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 and so on. And his last salary should be 7,000. Therefore, AN or L is equal to 7,000. It is the last term. So, the AP will be 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 and so on. 7,000 is the arithmetic progression. In this AP, A is equal to 5,000 and D is equal to 200. Now, the last term, that is AN, is given by A plus N minus 1 into D. Let us substitute A value and D value and let us find N value now. A means 5,000 plus N minus 1 into D, common difference is 200, is equal to, the total amount should be 7,000. This is equal to 7,000. Take this 5,000 to other side, implies N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7,000 plus 5,000 other side minus 5,000, or N minus 1 into 200 is equal to 7 minus 5 is 2,000. And N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 divided by this 200. This 200 and 2,000 10 times. Therefore, N minus 1 is 10 and N is equal to 10 minus 1 other side plus 1, 10 plus 1 is 11. Therefore, the Subbarao salary may reach 7,000 after 11 years. Is it clear? Good. Thank you. Thank you one and all.